Hello, my friend. You are most welcome to English Makes Bold YouTube channel. Okay, we are going to practice a very basic level by the story of a little red hen. So, if you want to be strong in basic level English, you are at the right place. My friend, believe me, the more you will practice, the more you will be confident. The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen who lived on a farm with her friends, a lazy dog, a sleepy cat, and a noisy duck. One sunny morning, the little red hen found some grains of wheat in the yard. She had an idea. "Who will help me plant this wheat?" she asked. "Not I," said the lazy dog. "Not I," said the sleepy cat. "Not I," said the noisy duck. "Okay, then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. So she planted the wheat all by herself. Every day she watered and cared for it, watching it grow tall and strong. When the wheat was ready to harvest, the little red hen asked again, "Who will help me to harvest this wheat?" "Not I," said the lazy dog. "Not I," said the sleepy cat. "Not I," said the noisy duck. "Okay, then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. So she harvested the wheat all by herself. She worked hard, cutting the wheat and gathering it into bundles. Next, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me take this wheat to the mill to be ground into flour?" "Not I," said the lazy dog. "Not I," said the sleepy cat. "Not I," said the noisy duck. "Okay, then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. So she took the wheat to the mill and returned with a sack of flour all by herself. Finally, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me bake this flour into bread?" "Not I," said the lazy dog. "Not I," said the sleepy cat. "Not I," said the noisy duck. "Okay, then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. So she baked the bread all by herself. The smell of fresh bread filled the air, and soon her lazy, sleepy, and noisy friends came running. "Who will help me eat this bread?" asked the little red hen. "I will," said the lazy dog. "I will," said the sleepy cat. "I will," said the noisy duck. But the little red hen shook her head and said, "No, I will do it myself. I worked hard to plant, harvest, grind, and bake this bread, so I will enjoy it all by myself." And she did, happily eating her delicious bread while her friends watched hungrily. The moral of the story: if you want to enjoy the rewards, you must be willing to put in the work. All right, friends, this is an end of the story. Wait. Don't leave now. To know that, how attentively have you listened to the story? Let's take a quiz. Question first. What was the color of the little hen? Answer: red. Question second. Where did the little red hen live with her friends? Answer: on a farm. Question third. What crop did the little red hen grow? Answer: wheat crop. Question fourth. What was the nature of the little red hen's friends? Answer: lazy, sleepy, and noisy. Question fifth. What is the moral of the story? Answer: if you want to enjoy the rewards, you must be willing to put in the work. Okay, guys, this is all for today. We will meet next video. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you. Bye-bye, and take care.